It's my first time trying Moss Burger and let me tell you all about it. They have a pop-up shop dito sa Rockwell at Nepo Center available up until the end of July. FYI lang, every month, iba-iba yung mga food trucks na nakastation dito. Kasi patikim lang yan ng mga ma-experience natin kapag nakumpleto na yung Rockwell. Eto na ang mga orders namin at uunahin nating tikman itong fish fillet burger. Honestly, my first impression was naliitan ako sa burgers nila. Pero in fairness, binawi naman sa flavor. Yung bread was light and soft and buttery, and then the sauce definitely complemented the fish. Ito naman yung Wagyu Western style burger, which is so good. It's a very juicy and beefy traditional style cheeseburger pero Wagyu yung ginamit. They are served with these cute little hash brown cubes. And last but not least, nag-order kami nitong beef yakiniku rice burger. So basically, kanin at ulam to na naka-assemble as a burger. It's nothing too different naman pero masarap yung pagkakatimpla ng beef yakiniku. All in all, their burgers are pretty good at yung favorite ko ay yung Wagyu.